Hey, let's do it like a very, very simple character. It'll be a bear, but it's going to be so simple. Almost a circle for the head. Almost a circle, but not quite. A little bit heavier at the bottom. Because that's like the gravity pulling the bear chubbiness down. A little tiny ear. Not a big ear for the guy, little guy. Yeah, just like that. Little tiny bear ears. We'll start with center line here. Low eye here. And we'll give him a sweet little nose like this. Just a tiny gumdrop of a nose. Now instead of big eyes like that, we'll give him just dot eyes. And for dots, they're big, but they're just dot eyes. Eyebrows up high, a little bridge of the nose. Kind of looking a little surprised here. A little fur here. And a little fur sticking out here. Give him no shoulders at all. Now we'll give him a little bit of interior, like a swirl for the interior. And a little bit of a shock of hair coming off here. Very surprised little guy. There you go. And we could also use some art supplies and darken it in. Trying to make them pretty even, same shape. Oh boy, that little slash is kind of nice. Now fan the face outward like that with some fur, and fan it out this way with some fur. Don't give them shoulders, but a little chubby little body is indicated. And a swirl in there, it's kind of fun little effect. Surprise lines. And we'll give him a little shading here. Now I'll erase those guy lines. Make it look more, might give it a cleaner look for you. Very simple character, but cute. There. I hope you like it. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye.